And oh my god, I'm still doing it. That I like this. I'm getting close to the camera. What is wrong with me? Welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, it is day 5. Is it day 5 of September 2018 Box Week? So you're catching me on day 5 of Box Week. Box Week is the best week every single month on my YouTube channel. It's the 1 week every month me and my YouTube subscribers spend 7 consecutive days together. We have a brand new video for 7 days straight. Tonight we're going to be opening the Macy's Beauty Box. Macy's Beauty is a subscription box from Macy's, the company. It is $15 per month. This subscription is kind of weird because it's kind of hit or miss. And I say this every time, like either you're going to get like a super bomb box or you're going to get like a box you're like, ooh, I feel like I could have gotten these items as like a gift with purchase. It's kind of on the same lines as like Sephora Play, where either you're going to be like, wow, I never like would have gotten this, or you're like, well, I could have gotten that if I would have just bought, you know, something at the store. So I also want to let you know we're going to be putting more items into our stockpile giveaway, which is this box right here of goodies. This is the 5th stockpile giveaway we've ever done. Basically what that is when I open up my subscriptions, I keep some stuff for myself. I put some in the box to host a giveaway. Once that box is full, this is the 5th one that we're doing. So far, there's already like a full-size eyeshadow palette in there, eyeliner, like makeup brushes, all kinds of cool stuff just from like earlier in this week. So I have my man, Mr. John Wayne here, and I'm going to open up this box. I'm really excited to get into this tonight. I don't know, like so far this month, I feel like Box Week has been really good. Like we've had some really nice items this month and I'm excited about it. So I'm gonna open this up here and pull the stuff out. Okay, so every month you get a little thing here that tells you about what is in your box, as well as you always, oh yes, they give you one of these cards. This month it is $10 off of $10. So they either give you a 5 off of 5 or a 10 off of 10 for Macy's Beauty online. So anything you buy, here's a little secret, anything you buy from Macys.com when it comes to beauty is always free shipping. But the cool part is that when you use that card, it's like 10 off of 10. So essentially if you got like $10 worth of face masks for $10, usually I think you have to spend like at least $1, you're gonna get free shipping. So that's my little Macy's secret. So they gave us a little bag here. This is, whoa, this is a lot. Wow, look at this. This is really big. Oh my gosh. It says, I don't sweat, I sparkle. It's a gym bag. Oh, that's awesome. I'm actually really excited about that. That's cool because you guys know I try to make it to the gym. It also feels super duper full this month, so this bag was definitely unexpectedly big, but I like it. All right, I'm trying to open up the tissue paper here. All right, the first item that we have is Donna Karan Cashmere Mist. This is a deodorant. Oh, interesting. So this is like a spray deodorant, I think. I'm not really sure. Oh, it's a rub-on deodorant. Okay, so that's what it looks like. I smelled it. Personally, not a fan of the smell. I didn't touch it or use it, but I'm definitely gonna put this into the stockpile giveaway. It smells a little bit too fragrant for me. I actually usually like to wear men's deodorant because I like the fragrances better. Also, it helps me to sweat a lot less because I sweat a lot. I just do. It's gross. I know, whatever. It's me. The next thing we have is Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. It's a deep exfoliating product from Sunday Riley. I'm definitely gonna keep this. My skin has been having a little bit of like texture issues recently, simply because of all the weather changes here in Wisconsin, so I'm going to keep that and see how that works for me. Next item that we have is Clinique Chubby Stick Moisturizing Lip Color Balm in the color Super Strawberry. Ooh, I'm going to try this. So I think I've gotten one of these before and I really liked it. Oh, that's so pretty. Yeah. So the reason I want to check this out is the reason I like these, I'm like saying the reason 32,000 times. I was like, the reason I like this is the reason that I feel like I want to tell you about the reason for this thing. Okay, so the reason, the real reason, oh my god, I'm still doing it, that I like this, I'm getting close to the camera. What is wrong with me? Okay, all right, well, we'll keep going. It's because this right here, you see how it's kind of sheer and iridescent? It kind of gives the same thing that's on my lips right now. A nice sheer, like, pop of color that you could put like a nice gloss over and then just make your lips look nice and juicy and delicious, but also it's not like super overwhelming like a matte lipstick sometimes is. So the next item that we have is Jimmy Choo Fever. It's a perfume sample in there. All right, I'm gonna open this up and smell it. I'm interested to see because I know I always like the scent Jimmy Choo Man for a men's fragrance. So I want to see how this smells. Ooh. Ooh, you guys are not gonna believe this, but I think I might like this fragrance. I don't know, I can't really smell it enough yet. Let me give it a second. I keep spraying it. I'm gonna probably be mad at myself if I don't like it. I don't know, I can't really smell it too much, but oh, I think I might like it. I don't know, it's a little bit fruity. I kind of have to let it warm up a little bit, but it's kind of a nice warm scent. Ooh, interesting. All right. Next item that we have is Jimmy Choo Man Blue. Oh my gosh, funny. I was just talking about Jimmy Choo Man. That's kind of A little bit creepy. I'll spray this on the other side of the room so that the smells can meet each other and make my room smell like too much. Ooh. Ooh, I like that. That is a good smell. Oh my gosh, that smells good. It kind of reminds me, so I like the smell Jimmy Choo Man, and it kind of reminds me of that mixed with like Nautica. I think it's Nautica Blue is actually what it's called. That scent, so I definitely like it. Ooh, yes. All right, next thing that we have is Dr. Bronner's 18-in-1 Hemp Peppermint Pure Castle Soap. Oh, this is a Dr. Bronner soap. I'm gonna put this in the giveaway box. I've actually I think I've tried this one or something similar before. There's always a really nice product for people to try out. The reason is because it's a nice clean soap. I don't know how else to explain it than that. There's tons of different body washes, but this is one that you're just like, I feel good about. I feel good, I got a good clean feeling, but also there wasn't a whole bunch of extra junk inside of this on my body, so there's that. All right, next thing that we have is Uni Shower Sheets Large Body Wipe. Instantly cleanses, refreshes, and deodorizes. So this is a body washing sheet. I'm gonna put this in the giveaway box too. That's kind of interesting. So this bag obviously very clearly is geared towards somebody who is trying to be fit. That's why they gave you the exercise bag, they gave you the deodorant, the body wash, all that. I think that's actually really awesome. I like that a lot. So to quickly recap, which I feel this is actually really good value this month, we got the 10 off of 10 coupon, which is still dude, seriously, that's amazing. We got the bag, which I'm not gonna lift up only because of the fact that it's on my lap under all the other stuff. We got the Uni body wash cloth, which is gonna go into the giveaway box. The peppermint soap, which is going in the giveaway box as well. The Donna Karan Cashmere Mist Deodorant, which is also going into the giveaway box. We got the 2 different Jimmy Choo fragrances, as well as we got the Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment, which I'm gonna try to use to exfoliate my skin because my skin's been a little bit complicated recently. So putting our stuff into the giveaway box here, which already has so many really awesome goodies in it. All right, I'm gonna put this off to the side. All right, so that's all I have for you guys today, but if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family because we are literally the best crew around because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. I love you guys so much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow for day 6 of Box Week. All right, talk to you. Love you. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. I already know we like pretzels. We actually buy these pretzels for our house, but we're gonna try them anyway because they're in the box, right? Yeah. All right, there's one for you and